How do I fix the unable to unsend message error on Messenger?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue that many of you might have faced, the unable to unsend message error in Facebook Messenger. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix it.
What is the unable to unsend message error?
The unable to unsend message error on Messenger usually pops up when you attempt to delete a message you've sent in a conversation. Facebook introduced a feature to allow users to unsend their messages, but sometimes this process might fail due to various reasons.
Why do I see this error?
There are several reasons you might be seeing this error. It could be due to 1. Poor internet connectivity. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, Messenger might not be able to process your request to unsend the message. 2. Outdated app version. If you're using an old version of the Messenger app, it might not support the unsend feature. 3. Time limit exceeded. Facebook allows you to unsend a message within 10 minutes of sending it. If you've exceeded this limit, you'll be unable to unsend your message.
How can I fix this error?
Here are a few steps you can take to resolve this issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. 2. Update the Messenger app. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the Messenger app. Check your device's app store to see if there's an update available. 3. Be mindful of the time limit. Remember, you only have 10 minutes to unsend a message. Be quick if you want to delete a message you've sent. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and resolving the unable to unsend message error in Messenger. Remember to keep your app updated and make sure your internet connection is stable while using Messenger. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.